Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Code Vault. This is part 2 of our complete HTML course, where we take you from beginner to pro in web development. In this video, we're going to learn the structure of an HTML document, understand what elements and attributes are, and how they bring your content to life. But before we begin, let's quickly recap what we learned in part 1. We cover the most commonly used HTML tags, such as open angle bracket, H1, close angle bracket 2, open angle bracket, H6, close angle bracket for headings, open P, close P for paragraphs, open a close for links, open IMG, close IMG for images, open OL, and open Li for lists, open BR, close BR for line breaks, and open HR, close HR for horizontal lines. These tags are the building blocks of every web page. If you missed that video, make sure to watch it. The link is in the description below. Now, let's explore how a basic HTML page is structured. Every HTML document begins with this line: open angle bracket, exclamation DOCTYPE HTML, close angle bracket. This tells the browser that we're using HTML5, the latest version. Next, everything is wrapped inside the open HTML, close HTML tag. Inside HTML, we divide our code into two main parts, the head and the body. The head section contains information about the page, like the title, character encoding, links to CSS files, or metadata. This part doesn't show up on the web page itself. The body section contains everything visible on the screen: your text, images, buttons, headings, and more. In short, head is for the browser, body is for the user. Now, let's understand the difference between a tag and an element. A tag is just the name, like open P or open H1. But when you write something between the opening and closing tags, it becomes an element. For example, open H1, this is a heading, close H1, is a complete element made up of a start tag, content, and an end tag. HTML elements come in two main types: block level and inline. Block level elements start on a new line and take up the full width. Examples include div, p, and h1. Inline elements stay on the same line and only take up as much space as needed. Examples include a, span, and img. Understanding this difference is key to organizing your layout properly. Now let's talk about attributes. Attributes add extra information to your HTML elements. They're always written in the opening tag and follow the format. Name equals quote value quote. Let's look at the most commonly used attributes. The ID attribute gives an element a unique identifier. Example: open PID equals quote intro quote, close angle bracket. Welcome to my site, close P. The class attribute lets you group multiple elements together for styling. Example: open P class equals quote highlight quote, close angle bracket. This is highlighted text. Close P. IDs must be unique, but classes can be reused across multiple elements. The style attribute lets you apply CSS directly to an element. Example: open P style equals quote color colon red semicolon quote, close angle bracket. This text is red. Close P. While this works, using a separate CSS file is a cleaner and more professional approach. We'll cover that in future videos. Let's move on to discuss. The ref attribute is used in anchor tags to add links. Example: open a ref equals quote https://google.com quote, close angle bracket. Visit Google. Close A. Next, we'll take a look at the src attribute is used in image tags to link an image. Example: open img src equals quote photo.jpg quote alt equals quote a beautiful photo quote, close angle bracket. The alt attribute helps with accessibility and SEO, so always include it. Let's go over some common beginner mistakes. Forgetting to close tags properly. Leaving out quotes around attribute values. Nesting block elements inside inline elements, which can cause layout problems. Always write clean, consistent HTML to avoid these issues. Alright, let's summarize what we learned today. Every HTML page starts with open exclamation doctype HTML close and uses HTML, head, and body. Tags become elements when you wrap content inside them. Block elements take full width, while inline elements stay inline. Attributes like ID, class, ref, src, and style add power and control to your code. Alright, that's all for today. If you have any doubts or want me to cover a specific topic in the next video, feel free to let me know in the comments below. In the next video, we're going to learn about HTML forms, inputs, checkboxes, buttons, and how to collect user data. So make sure to subscribe, click the bell icon, and follow along on your path to becoming a web developer. Thanks for watching the Code Vault, and I'll see you in part 3.